Phase 2. Phase 2 will be sales and engineering. Sales. Each time a sale is made, a contract number is granted, which will be identified you through the process. Information required: 2020 01 15 001. Combination of the year, month, day, and number of order of the day. Total direct labor time, for example 40 hours. Start date, first day of the contract. Final day, delivery day, plus material. At this point, all the production orders will be generated, which will serve for the monitoring control of the phases. Activities. We will have the first part of the number plus the in this case from engineering, from cutting, for grinding, patinate, bending, assembly, finishing, packing, and shipping. And we'll put at this time the percentage needed to perform the activity. Each activity will have a percentage. This percentage has to be estimated with the knowledge of the plant. We put some numbers that engineering 6%, 6% of the 40 hours is 2.40 hours, cutting 10%, grinding 6%, and to arrive to the 100%. Total hour will be 40 hours. And this is the time that we'll have available each part of the process. And also we have another order that will be the material. This order will be used as our example case.